Hey, this is day 1 of 100 days, 100 business ideas. Just stick with us for 2 minutes. Maybe one of these can actually change your life. You must watch this if you're in your teens or early 20s. All right, this one's for the hustlers. No startup money, no connections, no idea where to begin. Start here. Flipping free stuff. Go on Facebook Marketplace. Hit that free filter. What do you see? Old couches, dressers, bookshelves, TVs, broken microwaves. Junk to them, money for you. Pick something simple. Let's say you grab a wooden desk. It's a little dusty, maybe got a scratch or two. Who cares? Bring it home, clean it up. Maybe tighten a screw. Maybe paint it if you're feeling fancy. Then take fresh photos with good lighting, post it back for $40, $60, $80. I know someone who flipped a scratched IKEA table for $75 in one day. He got it free. He spent $3 on polish. That's $72 profit in 3 hours. Here's why this idea works so well. People are constantly giving stuff away just to get rid of it. And most buyers on Marketplace? They just want clean listings with decent photos and a clear title. You're not just selling stuff. You're selling convenience. You're solving their problem of, I don't want to go to IKEA and spend $100. You do this once a week? That's gas money. Do it every day? That's a full-blown income stream. And the best part? You don't need anything to start. No product, no brand, just a little sweat in your phone. If you're young, broke, and serious, flipping teaches you something deeper. How to see value where others see trash. That mindset? It'll make you dangerous in business. For more ideas, please subscribe and comment. See you next time.